Welcome back to Smart Wellness Tips, where we empower you to understand the silent language your body speaks every single day. Today, we are discussing a topic often ignored due to embarrassment, yet it remains vital for your long-term survival and health. We're exploring what your daily bathroom habits reveal about your internal health, specifically focusing on early detection of colorectal cancer. Many people wait for pain before seeing a doctor, but did you know your body warns you long before pain starts? Your body constantly communicates through waste, acting as an early warning system before pain or severe symptoms ever begin to manifest. It requires just a moment of observation, a simple glance that could potentially save your life or the life of loved ones. Think of your digestive system as a complex dashboard where every output provides specific data about how your engine is running. Ignoring these daily reports is like driving a car while ignoring the check engine light until the vehicle completely breaks down. We will guide you through the specific signs to look for, ensuring you can distinguish between normal variations and serious warnings. Understanding your baseline is key, because what is normal for you might be different for someone else, but changes matter most. Digestion is a miraculous process where nutrients are absorbed and waste is formed, carrying away toxins that the body rejects. When this process is interrupted or altered, the waste product changes its form, color, and consistency to alert you immediately. To understand these changes, doctors use a diagnostic tool known globally as the Bristol Stool Scale, developed for medical clarity. This scale categorizes human waste into 7 distinct types, ranging from severe constipation on one end to severe diarrhea on the other. Type 1 appears as separate hard lumps, similar to nuts. This indicates very severe constipation and a lack of hydration. Type 2 is sausage-shaped but lumpy. This also suggests constipation and a need for more fiber and water in your diet. Type 3 is like a sausage but with cracks on the surface. This is considered normal, though slightly more hydration could help. Type 4 is the gold standard. It is smooth, soft, and snake-like. This indicates a perfectly healthy and functioning digestive system. Ideally, your waste should be soft, formed, and brown, passing easily without any strain or discomfort during your daily routine. Type 5 consists of soft blobs with clear-cut edges. It passes easily but may indicate a lack of dietary fiber intake. Type 6 is fluffy pieces with ragged edges, a mushy consistency. This is mild diarrhea and suggests inflammation or dietary irritation. Type 7 is watery with no solid pieces. This is severe diarrhea, meaning food moved through your system too quickly to absorb. We aim for types 3 and 4. Consistently seeing the other types is a signal to adjust your lifestyle or consult a doctor. Now, we must discuss the red flags. These are critical signs that require immediate medical attention and should never be ignored. The first major red flag is a change in shape, specifically if your stool becomes consistently thin, resembling the width of a pencil. This narrow shape often happens because something inside the colon, like a tumor or polyp, is physically blocking the exit path. Imagine a wide river being forced through a narrow canyon. The water must change shape to pass through the limited space. If this pencil-thin shape persists for more than a few days, it could indicate a serious obstruction in the colorectal region. Do not assume this is just stress or diet. If the shape changes drastically and stays that way, seek professional advice immediately. The second red flag is color. Specifically, stool that is pitch black, sticky, and foul-smelling, often described as resembling fresh tar. This condition, known as melena, usually indicates bleeding in the upper digestive tract, such as the stomach or the small intestine. The blood turns black because it has been digested as it traveled through your system, changing from red to a dark tar. This is a medical emergency. It suggests significant internal bleeding from ulcers or other serious conditions and requires the emergency room. However, note that taking iron supplements or eating large amounts of black licorice or blueberries can also temporarily darken your stool. The third red flag is bright red blood. Unlike black stool, this indicates bleeding occurring near the exit, in the lower colon. While this is often caused by hemorrhoids or fissures, which are less dangerous, you cannot assume that is the only cause. Bright red blood can also be a sign of polyps or early-stage colorectal cancer, especially if accompanied by other bowel changes. Never dismiss rectal bleeding as just hemorrhoids. Get it checked to rule out more sinister causes hiding within the lower tract. The fourth red flag is pale, clay-colored, or white stool. This is a very specific signal that something is blocking bile flow. Bile is what gives stool its brown color. If it is missing, it points to issues in the liver, gallbladder, or pancreas. This could indicate gallstones, hepatitis, or even pancreatic tumors. Pale stool is a direct message from your accessory digestive organs. Now that we know the warning signs, let us focus on 3 powerful strategies to protect your gut and prevent these issues. Strategy number 1 is movement. Your intestines rely on physical activity to stimulate the muscles that move waste through your system. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of walking every day. This simple act stimulates peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions. A sedentary lifestyle leads to a sluggish bowel. By moving your body, you are literally helping your digestive system move its contents. If you have a desk job, take breaks to walk. It reduces the transit time of waste, lowering exposure to potential carcinogens. Strategy number 2 is regular screening. This is the single most effective way to prevent colorectal cancer before it even starts. The gold standard is a colonoscopy. Current guidelines recommend starting this screening between ages 45 and 50 for average-risk individuals. During this exam, doctors can find and remove polyps on the spot. By removing the polyp, they prevent the cancer entirely. It is one of the few cancers that is almost entirely preventable with timely screening. Do not delay this life-saving appointment. If you have a family history of gut issues, talk to your doctor about starting these critical screenings even earlier than 45. Strategy number 3 is nurturing your microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that fight disease and aid digestion. Incorporate probiotics found in fermented foods, like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. These replenish the good bacteria that keep your colon healthy. Pair these with prebiotics, which is fiber from plants. Fiber acts as fuel for these good bacteria and adds bulk to stool. A diverse diet leads to a diverse microbiome. The more varied your plant intake, the stronger your defense against colorectal diseases becomes. Try to eat the rainbow. Different colors and vegetables represent different nutrients and fibers that your digestive system desperately needs to thrive. And remember, fiber acts like a sponge. It needs water to work. Increase your water intake as you increase your fiber. Movement, regular screening, and proper nutrition. These are your 3 pillars of defense against one of the most common cancers worldwide. Your health is an active journey, not a passive destination. Listen to the signals your body sends you in the bathroom. Do not let embarrassment stop you from seeking help. Early detection turns a potentially fatal disease into a manageable, curable condition. If you noticed any of the red flags we discussed today, please make an appointment with your healthcare provider right away. Your body is resilient, but it needs your attention and care. Small changes in your daily routine can yield massive results. Take charge of your digestive health starting today. Observe, evaluate, and act. Your future self will thank you for your vigilance. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family. You might just save a life by sharing. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Wellness Tips for more science-backed guides to understanding your body and living your best life. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay observant, and we will see you in the next video from Smart Wellness Tips. Remember, nature provides us with the best tools for health. Fresh air and movement are natural medicines for your digestive tract. Whole foods are not just fuel, they are information for your cells. Choose the right information to program your body for success. Listen to your gut feelings. Literally, discomfort is a request for change. Comfort is a sign of balance and good health. Rest is also crucial. During sleep, your body repairs tissues and balances hormones that regulate appetite and digestion. Prioritize your sleep. Stress impacts the gut directly. Finding ways to manage stress through meditation or hobbies can significantly improve your bathroom habits. Teach these habits to the younger generation. Removing the stigma around bathroom talk helps everyone stay safer and healthier together. Aging gracefully is possible when you respect your body's signals. It is never too late to start listening to your gut. Your medical team is there to support you. View them as partners in your wellness journey, not just people to see when sick. This has been a presentation by Smart Wellness Tips. Wishing you health and happiness until we meet again. Goodbye for now.